Hi, John Morgan here, and welcome to this week's episode of the Keep Growing podcast, where we take a look at the gardening week ahead for the Mid-Ohio Valley. In this episode, we're covering week 36 of 2024, Saturday, August 31st to Saturday, September 7th. Up first, let's take a look at the weather. This week, the U.S. Drought Monitor upgraded Mason County and the surrounding area to an exceptional drought. This is the worst drought in our region since the 1980s. For a more in-depth analysis, head over to our website at bobsmarket.com/blog. Now for some good news. As I'm recording this on Friday evening, I hear thunder. Hopefully, we'll get at least a little bit of rain to help the situation. However, the long-term forecast is still looking hot and dry heading into next week. Monday is Labor Day, and it's also the new moon. Traditionally, a new moon means above-ground crops. This time of year, frost-hardy varieties like lettuce and spinach are great options. This time of year is also great for looking ahead to spring. Spring flowering bulbs get planted in the fall, and now is the time to order your bulbs. This week you can also plant crocus bulbs. They are the first bloomers in early March, and planting them now will let them get established before going dormant for winter. Coming up online this week, there won't be an episode of Bob's Live, our weekly live show on Facebook, YouTube, Rumble, and X on Tuesday evenings at 5 p.m. I have a medical procedure earlier that day, and I'll be heading home from Columbus. It's just a simple lipoma removal. Getting older is just so much fun. Anyhow, look for us live on Instagram and TikTok this coming Thursday. Have a great Labor Day weekend, and of course, keep growing. For show notes and a transcript, head over to bobsmarket.com/keepgrowing. Also, if you have gardening questions or feedback, email me at keepgrowing@bobsmarket.com.